This dashcam video shows footage of a traffic collision that took place at an intersection. According to the Federal Highway Administration, approximately 40 to 50% of all traffic crashes takes place at intersections. This incident shows just how a split-second lapse in concentration or judgment can lead to devastation and death without warning. Intersections controlled by traffic lights accounts for more total accidents, but intersections without traffic lights often see higher severity when collisions occur. In this instance, a lapse in concentration is probably the cause of the accident, as the footage shows that the individual entering the main thoroughfare may not have looked in both directions before proceeding, even though it appears that they stopped briefly at the stop sign. Always make sure to come to a full stop at an intersection where you are required stop, and then look left. Look right and then look left again to make sure that it's safe to proceed. Both victims were understandably shaken by the accident and verbalized that they sustained injuries from the accident, but neither victims appeared to have had life-threatening injuries. The airbags in car was deployed, however, the airbags in the pickup truck did not deploy. Both victims were assisted by the emergency services, which arrived about 10 minutes after the accident occurred.